Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Milestone, Saskatchewan is a small town located about 30 kilometers south of Regina along Highway 6. With a population of just under 500 people, it serves as a quiet hub for the surrounding agricultural region. The town offers a classic prairie setting with open skies, flat to gently rolling land, and a strong sense of community shaped by rural life. Milestone was established in the late 19th century during the expansion of railways across Western Canada. It was officially incorporated as a village in 1893 and later became a town. Its name is often said to come from its location along the railway line, marking a distance milestone for trains traveling through the area. Like many prairie communities, its early growth depended heavily on farming and rail transportation. Agriculture remains the backbone of Milestone's economy. Farmers in the area produce crops such as wheat, canola, barley, and lentils, along with raising livestock. The surrounding grain fields and farm operations define the landscape and influence the rhythm of daily life. From planting in the spring to harvesting in the fall, the seasons play a direct role in shaping the work and routines of the community. The arrival of the railway was a turning point for Milestone, allowing grain and goods to be shipped efficiently to larger markets. Grain elevators once stood prominently along the tracks, serving as important collection points for local farmers. While many of these traditional wooden elevators have disappeared over time, their role in the town's history remains an important part of its identity. Sports, particularly hockey, are an important part of life in Milestone. The local rink serves as a gathering place during the winter months, hosting games, practices, and events that draw participation from across the region. Like many towns in Saskatchewan, hockey is more than just a sport here. It is a key part of the social fabric. The landscape surrounding Milestone reflects the broader character of southern Saskatchewan. Wide open fields stretch to the horizon, broken only by farmsteads, roads, and the occasional line of trees. The sky often dominates the view, creating dramatic scenes at sunrise and sunset. This environment offers a sense of space and quiet that is central to the prairie experience. Milestone's location makes it a convenient place for those traveling near Regina who want to experience a smaller community. It provides a contrast to city life while still being close enough for access to urban services. For visitors, it offers a straightforward look at rural Saskatchewan, where agriculture, history, and community remain closely connected. Thanks for watching!